Yeah, bro, I'm tripping, bro.
Yup.
I do this for real, bro. Oh.
Nice.
I do this for real, bro. Stop playing.
Yeah. Stop playing.
Mechanic J. Got the new tires back on, bro. Stop playing. Alright, y'all. Now we got the tires done. We gotta install this junk, bro. That's probably what y'all came for. Stop playing. We finna install this junk today. Alright, we gonna let the car sit for a little bit because, you know, we don't want this junk to go off. That's gonna be a bad day. So, yeah.
This thing is like locked in place. Probably hasn't been touched in ages. Forever. Just a clip?
Yeah, I'm just cool.
Yeah. Alright.
Oh my
it's
goodness, bro.
Get it loose a little bit. Just like the guy said. There we go. Perfect. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Yes,
Just like that.
Alright, yo, we got the M1, M2 buttons on, got the new paddles on. Now we gotta put it into the car. Thing set up. Like, bro, this shot looks sick, bro. Oh my goodness. Here, hold on. Ooh, stop playing. We are currently wiring this junk up real quick, bro. It is currently 10 o'clock at night. And yeah, bro, it's crazy.
Okay, don't shove something in the wrong area. That's gonna.
You pop it, right?
Letting out your anger on that one.
The steering wheel's in. We have a steering wheel, but it don't light up. But
Hey, it's a steering wheel, bro. It still looks dope.
alright, y'all. Right now, I'm gonna go home. It's 10 o'clock, and you know, there's a whole bunch of wiring that to go onto the steering wheel. So I'm gonna do that tomorrow. So I'm gonna continue this video tomorrow. So yes, sir. It is the next day. You feel me? We is at my boy Sasha's house trying to figure out if he can install the steering wheel, make it light up or not. But I don't know, bro. We gonna figure it out. This on hard. Stop playing. We got disconnected the battery again, bro. Oh, did it shock you?
What you fuck? Of course it did.
It's disconnected though. Got all the tools. Stop playing.
The one that you do first, or you just take them out?
Let's take them off. Yeah, it doesn't really matter. There you go. These three things, bro, we gotta splice them together and put it into that one white thing.
All right, tie them all together.
Yeah.
We don't even need the blue stuff if you want to return it.
Perfect.
Too late. Say.
Gang.
Y'all, it's currently 9:20, bro. We got a jump done in an hour. We put the battery back on. Yo! Stop playing, y'all works. My dog Sasha, bro, coming through.
Could I get a redeem a chicken sandwich also?
This wheel looks insane, bro.
We got a D badge 228. Thinks he's someone. No sir. No sir. We can see the double tailpipe coming out on the left side, buddy.
Bro, you trying to sick, bro. Oh! Yeah!
Nasty. Yeah.
Oh!
Yo. Whoa. Bro.
Alright, y'all. Right now we editing the steering wheel to see different lights and stuff like that. So, yeah, figure this out real quick. Bro, that's so tough. Bro. Alright, y'all. Got the light set up. Stop playing. Woo! Stop playing, bro. Yes, sir. Got all the BMWs lined up. Y'all know the vibes.